What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, the rainy day, we're gonna work with something a little bit more dangerous. It's gonna be hot glue. Hopefully you guys are not afraid of hot glues. I used to be so traumatized by it because, you know, anything hot just really scares me. But I kind of overcome that, and today maybe it'll be your day to overcome working with hot glue. Let's get started. Hey guys, so here is the hot glue gun. Got some extra hot glue sticks here. And I also found some rounded items, so you can use, you know, your good old markers, break them out if you're not gonna use them to draw. Just use them as a ring mandrel, which means that that's gonna be approximately the size of your finger. For me, I think the closest one is going to be right about this marker here. So we're gonna use this to shape our hot glue into a circle. And I also got here the waxing paper or parchment paper. It's gonna help you remove your hot glue from this item. I also find other everyday objects such as like a sauce cup that we're not using anymore. Some random sequins that I find that I'm gonna cut it up in little pieces and drop it in the hot glue as a little decoration. Oh, and I also found this red netting, and we'll make a ring out of it. So you'll be surprised what hot glues can do. Now we'll have 3 different decorations on here. I actually think with the baking paper it's pretty cool too. Whoa. See, notice I left this whole gap without any spiky thing, so your finger can still move. There you have it, guys. Wasn't that fun? I burned my nails a little bit, but I didn't really feel like it was like detrimental to me. But one thing I learned is also I was putting the parchment paper on the wrong side, so that's why I was tearing it. But if you put it on the wax side, it should be much better. So I made a lot of different rings, and these two kind of almost look like a coral reef. This one like an apron look. And 3 other spiky ones that I made. So hopefully you guys can get out there and get some scraps of plastic, scraps of anything that you like, and then just pop it in with the hot glue. You don't need to buy anything. If you don't have hot glue, maybe that's the only thing you need to buy to make this 5-minute craft so easy. Most importantly, hopefully you got your creative juices flowing. I think I'm still gonna add some beads onto the red coral, so that would kind of give it a little bit more contrast. Hope you guys had fun. See you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you won't miss the next challenge. what I could have done better, I think I would have, dig my pieces in there a little more or add a little reinforcement.